Ever wondered how to whip up a simple yet scrumptious lunch? Welcome to our culinary journey where we'll explore the delightful simplicity of the egg salad sandwich. This straightforward dish is packed with taste and convenience. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at making an egg salad sandwich. Curious about what goes into this delightful sandwich? Here we have hard-boiled eggs, the star of our sandwich, providing a hearty and protein-rich filling. Next, mayonnaise and mustard come into play, adding creaminess and a tangy kick. A sprinkle of salt and pepper heightens the flavors. Our vessel? Soft bread slices holding everything together. And for a fresh crunch, we have optional toppings like lettuce. Feel free to get creative here. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to get boiled eggs. Put your eggs in a pot, cover them with water, and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let the eggs sit for about 12 minutes. Now that your eggs are perfectly hard-boiled, it's time to chop them up. You're looking for bite-sized pieces here. Not too big, not too small. Perfect. Next, we're going to mix these chopped eggs with creamy mayonnaise, tangy mustard, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Stir everything together until it's well combined. You're aiming for a nice, creamy consistency. Now grab your bread slices and generously spread your egg salad mixture onto one side. You can add lettuce or other toppings if you wish. Voila! You've just created a mouth-watering egg salad sandwich. So, how simple was that? We've boiled eggs, chopped them, and mixed them with mayo, mustard, salt, and pepper. We've spread that onto bread, added lettuce, and voila! A delicious, easy, and quick lunch. With this in your culinary arsenal, lunchtime will never be a bore again. Enjoy your egg salad sandwich.